Hey YouTube, what's going on? This is Ezekiel, and this is the fourth video out of five that I'll have. But I'm not gonna have five anymore. I'm probably gonna have like 6 or 7 because I found out more apps and tweaks that you guys could get for the iPhone 4. Alright, so let's get started. The 31st one is gonna be pop-up colors. What pop-up colors lets you do? It changes your pop-up color, just as the name says it. So as you guys can see, I'm texting my friend here, and it's yellow, right? Where it's like blue versus cancel and send it, it's yellow, and you could change that. You could change your pop-up color with the tweak called pop-up color, and you could do that. You have to do that within Winterboard, and I already have it pre-selected to the black one, so yellow one, and I already have it pre-selected to the black one somewhere down here. Somewhere down here. Oh, there it is, black pop-up. So I respring it, and then when it resprings, the next time I try to send something, the pop-up will be black. You can change it to any color. It comes with like 6 or 7 different colors, activated through Winterboard. It depends on Winterboard. And this is my loader screen that came with the theme. I don't like these loader screens. It takes forever to get into a app, as you guys can see. Alright, so let me show you guys. It was yellow before, and now when I try to send it, it's gonna be black. See, it's black. And that one's called pop-up colors. The next one I'm gonna show you guys is if you guys need a flashlight very quick, you just open up your SBSettings, and you guys can see there's Springflash. You click on it and then turn on your LED flashlight, and that one's called Springflash. You can activate this one through the lock screen or through the springboard. And that was Springflash. That was the 32nd one. The 33rd one is going to be my 3G. So if I open up Facebook, what my 3G does, it look right here. What my 3G does, it like when you open up an app, Facebook, I'm sorry, not Facebook, the app will request to know if it was on Wi-Fi or on 3G. I have my Wi-Fi turned on, that's why I didn't do it. So let me turn it off, remove it, open it up again. As you guys can see, I am on 3G. It says 4G, but I'm really on 3G. And you guys are going to see right here in the bottom left corner, it says my 3G. But that day, Facebook was requesting to know if it was on 3G or on Wi-Fi, and YouTube does that too. And what that really does is means that it tricks the iPhone into, or the app thinking, it tricks the app into thinking that you are on Wi-Fi, and you could FaceTime over 3G, and you could download apps from the App Store that are over 200 megabytes, because the App Store doesn't let you do that unless if you're on Wi-Fi, but that lets you do that. And that one's called my 3G. The next one is going to be called istrings. What istrings lets you do, lets you change your system strings. As you guys can see, I have AT&T right here. I could change that. I know you could change that with Make It Mine, but Make It Mine only lets you change the carrier and the banner. As you guys can see, I'm using the banner, and I don't want to change my carrier, but I did change this. Usually yours says search iPhone, mine says search MacBook Pro, and when I open up an app, mine usually up here says, hold on just a second, mine usually up here says, I tap that. So you could change that. I put on mine, I tap that. That one's called iStrings. The next one's going to be called iClassic. What iClassic is, it's like an iPod emulator. As you guys can see, it looks just exactly like the iPod, but it's on your iPhone 4, and it works exactly like it. You could change the skin to it as well. I have it white, which I like that one. It works just like the original iPod did. And if you don't want to use iClassic and you start using iClassic to play music, you could just go to your iPod app and continue playing it from there. And then you could go back on the iPad back to the iClassic app and continue using it. So slow. Alright, that one's called iClassic. The next one's going to be called Remove Background. You guys saw me using it on the last two videos. What Remove Background does, it removes all your apps, and you could have some exceptions. My exceptions are Pandora and the iPad app, because whenever I used to have my Pandora or iPad app playing, it used to cut off the music, and I didn't like that, so I just removed the background. But they didn't remove the Pandora app or the iPad app. You could go to your settings app and not to the settings. It comes with a specific app, the Remove Background app, and here you could select some exceptions that you don't want to remove the background. And that app was called Remove Background. The next one is going to be called Safari Download Manager. What that lets you do, it lets you download the videos or the music that you could play or listen to from your iPhone. Let me demonstrate you guys real one quick. I had to redo this video because I passed the time limit of 10 minutes. Alright, so right now I'm bmp3.com mobile version, and you can search any song, but I'm gonna just click on the first one, and then it's gonna ask me for a captcha. I just put it in, and I'm gonna show you guys how to download it, because I know some of you guys will ask questions. So once you have Safari downloader installed, just go to the song and click and hold it, and then it's gonna say open. Down on target, open a new page and copy. If you click on open, it's just gonna start playing it from your iPhone so you can sample it. But if you click on download target, it's going to download the song or video. So as you guys can see, it has this icon, which is the download icon. You click on it and it shows you the progress of it, and I'm basically done already downloading it, and I could start playing it from iFile or any of the of these other apps that I have, and they do play and they do work. So, and then you could SSH the song out of the iPhone and put it into your into your iTunes or computer. Alright, the next one's going to be called TV down screenshot. Usually when you take a screenshot, it just appears all white. I hated that, so I looked for one, and there was one. It's called TV down, and it makes it look like if a TV was powering down. Right. And that one's called TV down. The next one's going to be called a vmoji mod. I know you guys have heard of emoji, which I'll show you guys what it looks like, emoji. But only people who have iPhones could see the emoji. Like if I text my friend this, he'll be able to see it because if he has an iPhone, and if he didn't, he wouldn't be able to see it. If I show you guys this other one right here, anyone could see this one. Not just people who have iPhones, but anyone. It has it on here, numbers 1 through 5. And if you click and hold it, this will appear on there. And that one's called vmoji mod, and I'll have the link in the description to it. The next one's going to be called Voice Activator, and let me show you guys real quick. Maps. And there it is. What Voice Activator lets you do, it lets you open up apps or anything, like call someone. It will do that, and it will call that person or open the app that you told it to, and you can set that through the settings app. Alright, those were my 31st through 40th best Cydia mod apps tweaks for the iPhone 4, and I'll see you guys on the next one.